These strange vertical forms were never created for beauty. In different cultures, women kept them for one reason. They called them love catchers. They could look like statues, amulets, or elongated talismans. This is not a coincidence, but ancient wisdom. For it is known, what you surround yourself with determines what can enter your life. If there is still no reliable partner beside you, this sacred practice is for you. Today, clay is our tool, our conductor. I will lead you through 4 stages of shifting your attention and internal state. Just follow my hands and allow the changes to happen. We begin creating a space for masculine presence and support, just as it was done in ancient times. Changes begin with centering. This is our first step. When attention is scattered, your feminine power fades. Life seems to move, but you are not at the center. Stop. Feel your body. Feel where you are. Tell yourself quietly, I am returning to the center. I am here. Your life, like this clay, is capable of taking form, and only you define it. Step 2. A container for masculine presence. Now we are creating a vertical, a spine. In different cultures, such forms have always meant one thing: the presence of masculine energy. This is not about the body and not about sexuality. It is about support. Look at how the form rises from the clay. It seems to say to the space, there is room here. Tell yourself, I am ready for a partner who will be beside me, one who will become my support and pillar. Step 3. Transformation. That which was a pillar begins to change form. It is no longer just a masculine presence. It is a union, partnership, care. From this vertical, a bowl is born, the bowl of partnership. If resistance appears at this moment, it is a sign not to hurry. Perhaps your old connections leave no room for the new. Allow the form to change. Allow the space in your life to become open for a union. Step 4. Filling the space. Close your eyes. Into this bowl, place that which you lacked in relationships. The feeling that you are cared for, that you are cherished, that you don't have to carry everything alone. Imagine a space where a man takes the initiative, where he solves issues, where he is generous with time, attention, actions. This form is a sign that room has appeared in your life for a man. Your soul is this bowl. We have created within it space for a worthy man. If during the practice resistance appeared, write to me. What exactly held you back? What thoughts caused protest? Today, stay centered. Notice the signs and changes around you. They will happen. See you in the Presence Workshop.